Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed disk structure is corrupted and unreadable without software and no data loss. Open File Explorer. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk partition is raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space. Raw drive letter colon, F colon space, /F. Right-click Drive, click Properties, click Security tab, click Advanced, type Everyone, click Check Name. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Right-click Drive, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Edit, click Add, type Everyone, click Check Name, select all full rights. Select Administrators, select all full rights. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.